You know, there's something about cutting up an old car like this that just doesn't sit well with me. Cringing the whole entire time, but I'm convincing myself that this is for the best. I just keep telling myself, I keep reminding myself, this is gonna happen. It is what it is. So we've cut out both sides. This is the center section here. Kind of cut it here. What I want to do is kind of cut this piece off here. I'm gonna cut it back as far as I can. Probably gonna put a new blade on the grinder because it's already getting small enough where I'm not being able to utilize the fact that it's brand new and big to get to spots that I need to get to. So I'm just gonna cut this here, and then I'm probably gonna use my grinding wheel from now on, just to kind of get this flush and back. I don't want to see none of this ugly stuff once it's all together, so we're gonna try to clean that up as best as possible. So I'm gonna work on that now, get that clean, and then we're gonna do a test fit, try to test fit the cross member here, and we're gonna continue to cut this section out. We're gonna trace it and do all that jazz. All right, here we go. Let me begin by saying I absolutely hate fucking grinding. Um, this is how I know I would never make it in the fabrication field, because I can't stand grinding. I can't stand cutting metal. I don't know what the fuck is wrong with me, but I just can't stand it. This is all set, all grinded down, flush. I got these cut. And we're gonna test fit the section here and see what the hell we got going on. All right, so we dropped it in. It's obviously cut crooked, but we're not concerned about that. It's gonna line up once I give it some more clearance. So I gotta take some more off of this side, the front side, on both sides here. I think once I do that, it'll actually kind of align a little better. So yeah, I'm gonna grind some off here, and it should slide right in. All right, so we've been presented with our first issue of this kit. Everything was going smoothly until now. Got the crossmember clearanced. It drops right in. This side seems to want to go in. I got the bolt in there, but it gets stuck in the back. The whole thing is a little cockeyed. And also, once that bolt is in there, this side is that much off. I think it's just an issue of fabrication of this piece, or my frame's just a little bit different than the one that they tested. Either or, whatever the hell the case may be, I have to solve this problem. This is a no bueno problem. I tried to grind a little bit more on the sides here to try to get this to fit more, and these edges are no longer touching this this bracket here that they made. So it's no longer going to go more this way, which is what I need for this side. And even if it's not, there's no way I would be able to pull that or, you know, grind enough to push that over. So I think what I'm going to do is drill those puppies out. At the end of the day, these bolts with these holes fit snug. So even if I open up the holes on the frame itself and put this bolt through, it's still going to align where it needs to align, and it should be fine. So we're going to go ahead we're going to head that route. We're going to open these holes up with this bad boy right here. I think this is a 1/2 inch, and call it a day. All right, so we got those holes drilled. I just drilled them out with that 1/2 inch, and this thing is nice and solid. Doesn't wiggle or anything, so I don't have to worry about any alignment issues or anything. I just had to kind of clearance the holes on the frame to accept the new setup. I'm sure this is made 100% the way it's supposed to be made. So, I mean, I came into this knowing that there was fabrication required. It's not going to be a complete 100% plug and play kit. It is what it is. When you're doing stuff like this to these old cars, especially a conversion, these cars didn't come with a steering rack. So the conversion kit is what it is, man. You know what I mean? So we're gonna truck forward here. The next step is I'm gonna get the washers in and get the nuts tight somewhat. Just get this stuff snug, so then I can take these bolts out, put the other template in, and then I can get a template or circle drawn, so that way I can cut that stuff out, and then that's going to clearance me for the steering shaft. I'm not going to be using the stock steering column there. I'm going to be going to Motion Raceworks. They have like a aftermarket race column that's a lot safer than these things. And it's just a lot better, lighter weight. It's gonna be all around better. So that's gonna be later though. We're not gonna worry about that right now. But what we are gonna worry about is getting this kit in, and then we're gonna have to order some control arms next to get that squared away and set up, so that way we can finally put the rest of this stuff in. I mean, I can put the booster and master cylinder and all that stuff and get some of the stuff going, but as far as like this stuff right here, I'm not gonna be able to put none of that stuff in until I get the control arms and get everything squared away with the spindles and whatnot, because those bolt behind here and all that, and sandwich and ball, you understand what I'm saying. So we're gonna go as far as we can with this kit, and then we have to order some more parts. Let's continue.